Excusez-moi. Okay. I can't look at myself right now. Okay. Okay, better. So I just wanted to show you my routine that I do before I film a tutorial to prep my face. I normally start by cleansing, and then I always want to do a good exfoliator to get any dry skin off of my face. My favorite exfoliator is the Peter Thomas Roth Firmex Peeling Gel. It's really gentle on the skin and it visibly peels away the dead skin cells. After I exfoliate, I like to come right in with a face mask. This is the Skin Iceland face mask, and this is their neck gel as well. I've had these on for over 10 minutes now. I usually go over the time because why not? But this is one of my favorites because, as you can see, this material is more of like a fabric. It's not like that jelly type that kind of rolls off or falls off your face. So this is a favorite of mine. And after I take this off, my skin will be supple and healthy and ready for a moisturizer. I actually forgot my moisturizer, so I'm gonna go downstairs and grab it for you. Would you like to come along? Say hi, Benji. This is our very unconventional house that we live in. This is the princess room.
I'm the princess.
He's the princess with the tiger. Actually, he's the tiger princess. So yeah, I'll walk you through. Going downstairs. This is how I have to come up to the film room. Say hi. Say hi, Lisa.
Hi. These are me and my factory melons. They're delicious.
She wants to get a discount code off to you, so.
Yeah. It's just so easy. Like, I want to hand over the favor. You know?
So I gotta go downstairs. This is our room. Yep, walk through the clothes. Okay, so let me grab actually, I'm gonna grab the cleanser. This is currently what I'm using, H2O. This is a hydrating sensitive cleanser because I will show you once I go upstairs that I'm having a lot of breakouts. I think I have dermatitis or some type of rash, so I haven't filmed anything in weeks because I'm trying to let it heal. So this is really the only cleanser that has helped, H2O. This is the hydration sensitive cleanser. And then I'm gonna come in with one of my favorites, obviously. It's kind of rubbing off, the Pure Radiance Oil by True Botanicals. And maybe some eye cream too. Which one? I'm gonna come in with this, the Glow Recipe. It's a really cute package, I'll show you. Ooh, maybe I'll use this as well. Okay, let's do it. All right, and we're back. So now I'm gonna take the Skin Iceland off. It's been on for a long time and it's probably dry, as you can see. That means I left it on long enough. And I'm gonna show you the dermatitis that I was talking about. That's been really bad. Yeah, it's not pretty. Oh, it's scary. And I can't believe I'm actually showing you this. Back to my prep for a tutorial. I'm going to be showering, but I just wanted to show you, because I'm going to do my hair and get all pretty, but I just wanted to show you kind of the step-by-step of what I do before. Like I said, I start with the cleanser. This is the Moravitsa spray, and this is the hydration. I love this spray. And then I'm not going to do many steps today because I'm still trying to be careful about this dermatitis, but this True Botanicals I feel is really amazing and has pure ingredients. So I just do a little bit of that in my palm and just kind of pat that. I don't want to add too much product because I don't want to irritate my skin further. Because I think the exfoliation made it really red as well, but I kind of needed to get the dry skin off to apply my foundation, because I'd rather cover up redness than cover up dry, flaky skin, which you cannot cover that up because that will just show. That's texture. Texture you can't really get rid of, but redness you can, and I'll show you how. Then I'm just going to Actually, you know what? I don't even know if I'm gonna add any of this because I just don't want to mess with, I have a little bit of the dermatitis underneath my eyes and I just don't want to mess with it. So, but I do love this. This is what I was using before. This is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask, which I love, love, love. But instead, before I shower and stuff, I'm just gonna add a little bit of this vitamin E. I kind of just come right in with a bunch of this. And you see that goodness? I'm just dabbing it right on all of the problem areas. And even, it's so weird, it was on my eyelids. I've never ever had this before. I don't know what it is. Okay, the vitamin E is on and I'll be back later. All right, so I showered and I'm going to curl my hair, but before I do that, I'm going to put on this plumping lip gel from Skin Iceland. See, it's looking a little better. It's still red. It's a little toned down now. And I'm also going to use these Meaningful Beauty eye patches just for a little more love. Just gonna place these right underneath my eye to kind of cool the area down while I do my hair. Make sure to get that right in there underneath the eye. These are a little jelly, so these slide. You have to keep pushing them up, but that's okay. And I always like to put the extra product on my hands. And then, which I won't be able to talk once I put this on, this cute little lip plumping gel. Okay, see you later. I have finished my hair and taken off all of those eye masks and face masks and lip masks. So I'm fully prepped now. So now I want to show you how I spot treat and conceal and basically cover up any acne or rosacea or what I have here, dermatitis, rash. So stay tuned. Wow, that was... I cannot move very much with this. Don't make me laugh.